I made these adorable pink flowers for a project only to realize that I didn't need these colors. So yeah, I was like, well, I have all these pink flowers. I need to do something with them. And then I remembered I have the Baja Cactus Blossom fragrance, which green and pink, right? So I was like, oh, I'll use them for that. And then I was like, well, I need an embed. So I created a cactus embed. I created two. I was playing. I think this one's cuter, but I like them both together. So I'm gonna pour a really simple green base with a dark green swirl, put my cactus in, and then decorate the top with the pink flowers like a cactus flower. So relatively simple, but I think it will be cute, and I use my pink flowers that I made that I didn't have to make. So yeah, let me go prep the soap and then we'll be back and we'll make some Baja Cactus flower soap. Look at how pretty that top is. I love it. Oh, I just love that pink. And the flowers are so pretty. So let's cut this. See what the inside looks like. How cute is that embed? And the flowers on top. I mean, relatively simple design. I did very, very little bit of green in there. I kind of wish I had added a bit more. It's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. I didn't want to over swirl it. Like, I already had this green. I wanted that to stand out, so I didn't want too much dark green. but I kind of wish there was just a tad bit more. But it's still, I think, super cute. That one tilted a little bit. I knew it was. I was trying to get it in straight. Oh look, you get both on this one. So this end I had a little bit extra and I put that in and it tilted too. So there's 2 bars that have 2 cacti. But it's, I think, super sweet. And I like it, so I will take it. This was an unplanned soap. So instead of doing 9, I did 10 spring soaps. Almost all of them were just a 5-pound batch, so 16 bars. So it's about 200 bars of soap. That should be enough to get me through spring. Lots of fun florals, so if you're a floral person, now's your time. But I'm pretty happy with the spring soaps. A few little mishaps here and there, but otherwise, I think they're fun. Let me know what you think.